Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, trading123.net. Today we're talking about trading here on Friday, July 10th, 2015. We got a big gap up here in the market due to the Greece news, their financial crisis. They're trying to get it under control, and that affects the market. So here we have the NQ. This is the previous close. This is the gap up, and this acts as support. Loss of this 43.95 area. We sell off. So let's look at the Auto Trader chart for the NQ on this gap. And here we go. You basically start the gap, Auto Trader here just before 9:30, and 43.95 was the gap up support. As you see here, the initial trend wants to get a little bounce here. We get some profit, then it reverses to the downside, and we're using profit targets to capture profits in each trend up and down. And with the NQ, we like to go for around 250 profit in the first hour. And on this particular day, I set the profit goal a little higher because of the big gap. I thought we at least sell off and go down to this 43.80, but it lost the 43.95 support here and dropped quickly. And I thought it would go a little lower, but it got this fake little bounce here, bounced up. But anyways, we hit our profit goal. Usually on a gap in the first 15 minutes, you'll hit your profit goal because you have 3 waves up or 3 waves down. So we had a wave up, wave down, wave up. And those waves are usually pretty profitable. And that's exactly what we did. So that's how you trade the gap. With the NQ, the YM, we did the same thing. Let's look at the YM. So here's the YM chart. As you see, we got the previous day's close here at this level. It acts as support. And this is the gap up. Opening price acts as support. In extreme cases, usually when it loses this support, it goes back and finds support here at the previous day's close. But on this extreme gap up on positive news, that will not happen because of the Greece financial news. It was an earnings play or something, yeah, maybe. So let's look at the Auto Trader play here on the Auto Trader chart. Basically, because of this big gap up, instead of trading 3 contracts, I doubled my contract size. As you see on the chart right here, I doubled the contract from 3 to 6. Still trading profit targets. And basically, I upped my profit goal, doubled it to $600 on the 6 contracts. Now, this is what you call a mortgage play. As like I said previously, you usually get 3 waves up, 3 waves down. So that's exactly pretty much what happened. The support was right at 17,650 area, and that's kind of where it dipped below it here and came to a halt and bounced back up. So the market opened, and with that big gap up, there's going to be no buyers there. So people are going to be taking their profits that all bought yesterday within the first 5 minutes. So once the first 5 minutes is over, the elevator drops a couple floors. And you can hit, if you're going for a $200-300 profit goal, you'll hit it really quick, like we did here. And basically on a Friday, that's a nice profit goal for less than 10 minutes worth of trading. So that's how you trade the gaps on the YM and NQ. And basically these patterns repeat all the time. So Gap down, you do the same thing. You start the auto trader in the gap, so when the trend changes, it catches the next leg down. So study this video and understand how to trade gaps, as they're very profitable. No need to trade all day. As you see in those two trades right there, in half hour's time is over $900 profit. And here's the auto trade on the CL. Basically the CL gap down here, but it wasn't really a huge gap. So we started the auto trader down in the gap here. And once the trend changed, it got a little bit of profit, then came back down. And on this particular one, I wasn't trading profit goals. If I was trading 6 and 9 profit goals, I probably would have made my profit right in this second move up. So, but I had another strategy running trading profit goals, and I'll show you that one in a minute. This one, I just want to get my $300 profit on the gap, and that's basically what happened. It went up here. There's your 3 waves. One, well, I don't know if that's really a wave. 2, 3, and then down. So that's pretty much all you need when you're going for $300 or $500 profit. 3 waves and be done. So, but as you can see, if I would have been trading profit goals, I would have hit my 6. I got long at 52.87 plus 6 is 93. It went up here to 96 or so. So I would have got 6 and probably out about break even. Would have caught the 6 and 9 here, and then would have caught this here, so it would have been done a little sooner. Now let's look at the one with the profit goals and see how that one worked out. Now this chart is exactly as the same as the chart you've seen on the previous slide with the $300 profit goal. It's a little small because it's a wide. But basically, here's trading profit goals. Like I said, it hit the profit goal on the first one. Second one got out with a little profit. Same here. And basically, it made 8 trades, and one got stopped out. This one right here where the bounce failed. Got stopped out for a small loss. Caught the next trend down. 6 and 9 profit goals. 6 and 9 profit goals. And boom, we end up with $440. So, like I said, this 1 wave up, 2 wave down, 3 wave up, right there, that would have hit our 300 goal had we been trading profit targets. So in slower markets, you got to trade profit targets like we are here in the summertime trading and make your money. So that was 1 hour's worth of trading, $440. And then we had one more trade. This trade was based off of market timing. This is another mortgage play. Basically, on Fridays, there's certain timing patterns that happen in the market, and you trade them. And basically, the market has sold off from about 10 o'clock all the way down here till 10:43, 44. So you get like a wedge forming, and then you get a strong reversal that usually goes up about 20 to 25 ticks. So you set your profit goal to that, and that's what I did, $400 profit. It went up rather quickly in 2 minutes or so. Profit goal hit, banked, take the profit, and repeat the same thing the next day. So that's how you use the Trading 123 Auto Trader for trading gaps and reversals. And all this is outlined in our manual that comes with the software and our trading videos, and especially our market timing trading video, which will change your life as a trader. So for further information, go to our website, trading123.net. I'm Patrick, head trader, trading123.net. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you in the next video.